What is Central Saanich's Civic Redevelopment project? This project is a comprehensive plan to update aging municipal facilities to meet the current and future needs of Central Saanich's growing community. The project includes a plan to move the district's municipal services to a new site on Hovey Road and reimagine the current site at 1903 Mount Newton Cross Road. Not only is this a financially stronger strategy, it will also create opportunities to enhance Saanich Village while improving services and facilities and meet current accessibility and seismic standards. It will also ensure that district properties are used to their full potential to serve the community, which may include new recreation facilities. Why is this project needed now? Much of the district's infrastructure, including our municipal buildings, were designed and built in the 1960s. Lots has changed in that time, including our population in Central Saanich growing from 5,000 to 18,000 people. As our facilities have aged, standards for accessibility, seismic, and post-disaster have increased, and our district operations for fire, police, and other municipal services have grown. As a result, and as outlined in the district's facilities master plan back in 2017, replacements of the municipal hall, the police station, fire station 2, and the municipal yard facility are needed. So what does this look like? This opens up many possibilities for recreation on the site, while creating a redevelopment opportunity at the current 1903 Mount Newton Crossroad location. The official community plan and Saanich Village design plan envision a more vibrant space. Can the district afford this project? In 2014, the district began expediting repayment of the debt taken out from building Fire Station 1 to create room for rebuilding other municipal facilities. In 2017, the district adopted an asset management plan to increase the amount of funding put away for replacing aging infrastructure, including facilities. Staff and council will continue to focus on sound and creative fiscal strategies, which may include partnerships, grants, land sale, and more, to ensure the impact is as low as possible on taxpayers. As we move forward, all options will be analyzed for their long-term financial benefits to the community. Financial models, along with draft concepts, will be developed and shared for community input in early 2025. How can I stay informed and share ideas and feedback? The district will be using many channels to keep residents informed, both print and online. Please visit the project site, LetsTalkCentralSaanich.ca /CivicRedevelopment, where you can find lots of information and subscribe for email updates and watch for updates in the mail. Public input is vital, and council and staff are looking forward to now being at the stage of the project where early directions can be explored. Please get involved.